Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Maylin Biernas. I'm a travel content creator, but I just started vlogging here on YouTube last May 2025. So, we're going on a staycation with the family, and we're very excited because this is just 23 minutes away from our place in Cubao, sa bahay namin. So, this is along Antipolo, Rizal, and nasa loob siya ng subdivision. And I just wanna tell you that we're gonna stay in a celebrity house. If you know Yasi Pressman, Miss Yasi, thank you so much kasi makakastay kami sa house ninyo, and I'm very excited to experience Cabana Yasi. So the name of the place is again Cabana Yasi. We're going in with the whole family, Clamor family. So kasama namin yung parents ko, mga pamangkin ko, kapatid ko, and of course my husband. Okay, so andito na kami, and we're gonna take you along with us. I'm gonna let you see how beautiful the Cabana Yasi is and why this is a good place for you to stay in, most especially this summer kasi meron silang pool sa loob. So yeah, makikita nyo yan later. Welcome to Cabana Yasi! Say welcome, Charlie! Welcome! Jump!
Oh, yun.
Oh, let Asher hold.
May jump, Ashley.
Jump, jump!
Hindi ka rin mag-jump eh. Yan, go.
Yan, jump, jump, jump!
Go.
Mukhang dyan na nila gusto magstay. 2 feet, 2 feet! Nandito na tayo sa Cabana Yasi, and nandito na rin ang family. So papakita ko sa inyo kung paano gagamitin yung buong bahay. So this is actually a Clamor Ibiernas vlog. So for our memories as well, but I also want to share it with all of you para you can have a choice if you want to stay here. During the summer, naghahanap kayo ng something na pwede nyong pagstayan as a family or as a barkada. You can find this in Airbnb Cabana Yasi. Inaalaw nang nila 14 people here na matutulog. Pero you can actually have parties here naman. So, papakita ko sa inyo sa isa kung anong mga gawa. Nandito tayo ngayon sa pavilion. This is what they call pavilion. Yan. And then, behind me is actually a rock climbing wall. Alam nyo ba na this is a rock climbing wall, guys? Oh, hindi nila alam. So, can Nong try this?
Oh my God!
Oh! Oh my God! Maaksidente ka pa. Hanap ka ng ibang bato.
Lagyan mo ng
Sige, ikaw.
Ano? Oo nga.
Oh, nice! Oh my God, Nong, I'm so scared for you. Si Ann na lang, si Ann. Kapatid ko, tsaka si Ann, yaya ni Asher. Uy, grabe, sanay na sanay, oh. Oh my gosh, wait lang, Ann, wag ka muna alis, i-video ko. Ay, grabe, ang galing.
Tanggal yan.
Oh my God, Ann, nakakatakot. Hoy! Diyos ko!
Okay na yan, baba na.
Ang galing, ang galing. Galing ni ate, oh. Yay!
Anong jumping?
Look at daddy, look at daddy.
Oh, may mga ganyan. Tapos meron pang gym dito. Complete naman yung set nila. Meron ding pang boxing. Meron pang pull-ups. Andito. And then dito merong bathtub na may privacy at saka sauna. Steam sauna ito. So pag binuksan mo siya, naka-privacy siya na ano eh. Oh, kita niyo ako, 'di ba? Pag naka-privacy. So ang laman nito ay bathtub lang, tsaka banyo. Yan yung banyo. And then dito sa labas, katabi niya yung sauna. Dito mo pipihitin kung anong temperature yung gusto mo. Ngayon naka 32 siya. So kung gusto mo siyang taasan para mas mainit, pwede naman. Ito yung itsura niya. Yan. Upo ka lang dyan. Gusto mo pagpawisan. Okay na okay, di ba? Mahal, wag mo sirain niya. Wala tayong pambayad dyan. Nafo-frustrate na siya. Meron ding billiards table here. And then may arcade dito. Yung asawa ko. Batang arcade ka ba? Parang hindi. Sa pavilion, akit tayo dito. Diyan, pwede kang mag-s'mores if you want, grilling area. Pwede ka tumambay dyan, party-party. After mo mag-swim, basa ka, pwede naman dito. And then this is their pool. Meron pang bata, tsaka meron pang adults. Pababa siya, oh, makikita nyo. So, malalim dito sa area na to. Tapos, ito yung chair nila, pool chair nila. They provide also bath towels and floaters. They have floaters. So, they also provide JBL for karaoke. Pwede kayo mag-video ko dyan. May Netflix na rin yan, YouTube, etc. And then may sink dito, may upuan, may fan na malaki, may griller, and then may freezer for your meat. And then meron ditong art, work of art. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dun sa ganyan. Ang galing. The house looks like this. Super nice. Ganda. Na-maximize talaga yung space. So, it's really good for parties and intimate celebrations. Asher, say hi to the vlog! Say hi to the vlog!
Hi.
Hi! This is Charlie. Say hi, Charlie! What are you eating?
Ruffles.
Oh, Ruffles. And then this is their living area. Dito yung mga gamit namin, pasensya na. So, it's a very spacious living area. Tapos, meron silang bladeless fan. And then, they have a big mirror. Super big mirror niyan. Ang laki-laki niyan. Ito yung door, main door. And then, meron silang mga paganito. Okay, sige. And then, ito yung kitchen area and dining area. You can use everything, the induction cooker and all the ref. You can use everything. Ito yung room beside the kitchen. So, very spacious na room. Queen bed. Tapos, merong mga storage. Yan. So, aesthetic. Nice, no? They provide towels as well, bath towels. So, wala namang problema. Walang CR dito kasi yung CR nasa labas. They also have microwave. Microwave, tapos coffee maker, Nespresso, and then Nescafe Dolce Gusto, tapos rice cooker, tapos meron din silang water dispenser. So, buksan mo nga yung mga cabinet. Lahat daw yan pwedeng gamitin eh. May storage dyan.
Gamitin mo yung storage.
Gamitin mo yung storage. Pero yung mga gamit yata nandito sa kabila. To, nandito yata. Yan. Merong mga ganyan, mga paganyan sila. Mga kawali. Chopping board, nandito yung, iba, ayan, kawali. So, wala ka ng problema. So, meron din sila dito ng mga baso, shot glasses, spoon and fork, plates, they have it here. Mga mongkok. Ano ba tawag dyan? Mangkok pala, mongkok. Kaka-Hongkong ko to eh. Ito ref nila, ayan. Smart inverter. Dalawa. Tapos ang ganda ng ano nila, ng dining area. May TV din dyan, Netflix, YouTube, pwede rin dyan. So, pwede i-freezer yung mga gamit nyo. Tapos may CR dito. Yan, ito yung CR nila. Yan, so nice. I think this is my favorite CR of all CRs here. And then, pakita ko sa inyo yung movie room katabi nito. This is the movie room. Yan. Dito kami magsistay later at manonood ng movie as a family. So, yan, mahaba siya. Pero technically, pang 2 people lang talaga yan. Pero sa nakikita ko, kasya 4 dyan. And then dito rin ganun din. And then pwede rin may matulog dito, 'di ba? Tapos merong table. Tapos merong projector. Ganda. Tapos meron pang mga ganito. Parang gusto ko ng ganito sa bahay namin. Yes. And then here, you can sleep here also. Gusto mong matulog dito. I'm showing the vlog that we can sleep here. We can all sleep here.
The bed?
Yeah. Asher, look at this. Oh, this is a huge bed. Yes, it's a movie room. We will watch a movie here later. Who's that?
Burger!
Burger! Oo nga naman, burger! Yan yung living room, 'di ba? Meron ding room dito. So, pwede ka magstay dito if you like to, have playtime with, yan, meron kasi silang unok stako dito. Tapos merong mga pa-design sila na, you fake like Birkin. Ito pala yung tsura ng Birkin. Tigas! And then, ito yung room na isa. Ito yung biggest room yata nila kasi merong 2 queen beds. Tapos sa queen beds, yan, may bath towels na dyan. And then, merong mga upuan. Tapos itong door na to, door going to the outside. And then this one is banyo. So yung banyo na to, lit lang ng sink. Pero itong mirror nila dito, ano siya, may ganyan. Ayan. And then, rain shower siya. So you can see, sana may hot water kasi hindi tayo sanay ng malamig. Labas ulit tayo, punta tayo sa taas, dun sa isang room, last room. May giant tree going up the stairs. Wala siyang handle dito, so challenge siya for seniors and kids kasi walang handle, paakit ng stairs. So, lahat kami sa baba na lang kami magsistay kasi kasya naman kami dun. So, ito yung second floor hallway. So, merong mga restricted area dito kasi talagang ginagamit to, like walk-in closet daw to, tapos master bedroom ni Yasi. So, ito yung isang pinapagamit nila na room. So, kasya din 2 people here. And then may TV. So, may banyo rin to. Maliliit lang yung doors ng mga banyo. Yan. So, it's very maaliwalas, mabango. Yun talaga yung first impression dito sa bahay na to, mabango siya. So, yan. Black, may bidet. Tapos, merong shower head. Yan. Okay, so I don't know if someone will stay here. I guess wala. So, ipapatayin na lang natin yung aircon. Magpipicture taking kaming family. Sayang ganda ng bahay. Mag-pictorial na tayo. So, yun. Hawak lang tayo dito kasi medyo madulas siya pagka nakapaa ka. So, walang handle, kaya ingat talaga. Lalo na kapag may seniors at saka kids. So, ito yung view from taas. Ayan, kitchen, dining. And then yung living room here. Ito na po ang mga chef natin. Chef Gail for the shrimps. Anong shrimp yan?
Jumbo prawns.
Wow, jumbo prawns. Tapos ito namang isa ay steak. Steak. And this one, mashed potato.
Can you taste?
Nahilig ako sa mashed potato. May kulang.
Asin?
Hindi, maalat na siya. Parang cream ang kulang. Hindi ako nagluluto pero magaling ako maglasa.
Marsh, si Daddy,
Oh.
mali ang nadalang lettuce. Mabukon ng dinala?
Ano?
Cabbage.
Oh, kita mo na. Mana lang yan. Di ba? Steak. And the little kids. Coffee.
I'm drinking coffee. I'm drinking coffee.
That's not coffee. That's hot choco. Where's Lala? Charlie, tawag ka ni Lala. Nandito sa movie room. Kami dito ay chilling lang. Ayun na! Here's our foodie! Yay! The steak. Where is Asher? Where? There! Say hi! Say hi! Hi here in the camera. Hi! Hi vlog!
Hi vlog! Hi vlog!
Hi guys! Yes! Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Say hi guys!
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Hi guys! Hi guys! Oh, pwede mo nang galawin, ma.
Ay, putik. Baka bukas pa ito, ma-shoot yung wala yan, ha? Hindi, balsa.
Puzzle bubble ngayon kanina eh.
Budget pa din.
Ah, baka mukhang bukas pa natin to masushoot eh.
Baka bukas pa eh. Diyos ko naman, taga-taga.
You know, Lala's house has billiard table. Ah! Ay! Bukas pa to, bukas pa to.
Bukas pa ito.
Ayan o, ayan o, ayan.
Ay! Diyos ko!
Ow, I can't.
Muntik na!
Hoy, budget.
Ay! Oy, may pumasok!
Dalawa. Ay, hindi dalawa. Ano ba yun? Di ba pumasok? Pindot. You lost again to Asher.
Si Asher, yung kamay niya. Asher! You're Rayo! You're Rayo! You're Rayo!
Oh,
You're dead, Asher. I won!
Yeah, you won!
one more. Round 2. Fight! Press, Asher, press! Faster, faster! Faster!
Mama, 2 birds.
Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? May dumating na Nikki, sure, she's got everything. Love to explore that shore above, out of the sea. Wish I could be part of that world. Let it go, let it go. That perfect girl is gone. Here I'll stand in the light of day. Let the storm rain so I'll read a book, or maybe 2 or 3. I'll add a few new paintings to my gallery. I'll play guitar and knit and cook and basically just wonder when will my life begin. And then I'll brush and brush and brush and brush my hair. Stuck in the same place I've always been. Wandering and wandering and wandering and wandering. When will my life begin? Sintonado na ako.
Well, there's just a twin inside on the cliff, and you won't look at me. Just to take the price, how much I love those eyes, and they won't look at me. I think I'm falling.
mga Charlie. Hanggang ngayon, ikaw pa rin ang iniibig ko. Ikaw pa rin ang natatanging
Legit lang. So, it's one
Ating pagbigyan.
Said that you never leave.
Day 2 here in Cabanayasi. Okay naman ang tulog namin kagabi. Maayos naman, tuloy-tuloy naman. So kami ni Mike and si Nikki, we actually stayed in the movie room. Walang nagstay sa taas kasi para less nga yung akit baba, diba? Tapos yung parents ko dun sa main room na may 2 queen beds, and then yung family ng kapatid ko dito sa may kitchen naman. So yun. Okay naman ang stay namin, maayos. And then we had a good lunch. Ang ulam namin ay sinigang na baboy, liempo, at saka bangus na grilled. Tapos nag-swimming na yung mga bata, pati si Mike kanina, kapatid ko, mami ko, yan, daddy ko, nag-swimming na sila. Ako, ayoko mag-swimming today kasi yung buhok ko kaka-treatment lang, so hindi siya pwede. Hindi pa po siya pwede basain. At the same time, I'm doing a lot of work right now. And currently, ang dami ko sinasagot ng mga emails. So later on, mag-movie night kami. Tapos, nag-order kami ng coffee kasi nga, pwede namang grab dito. Kasi nga malapit lang siya technically. So yun, nag-order kami ng coffee. And then, that's it. Yun ang activity. Very chill lang kami today. Kasi, yun naman dapat ang staycation. Ako kasi hindi ako na-chill. Gusto kong malagi akong may ginagawa. So, I'm just gonna finish some deadlines today. So, yun.
Movie night! Say hi! Hi! So, ito yung movie namin, Roofman, on Netflix.
Good morning, team. No. Don't be scared. You just do what I say. No one gets hurt, okay?
We have come to an end. This is the last day of our Cabanayasi experience, and I'm here in the movie room where we slept. So, sobrang sarap naman ang tulog namin. By the way, pag matangkad ka pala, hindi ka pwedeng matulog ng pag ganito, nakaganyan ka. Kunwari ito yung bed, di ba? Nakaganyan ka. So, natulog kami ni Mike ng nakaganito. Hindi naman ako matangkad, kasya naman ako, pero si Mike matangkad siya. So, naka-side kami. But, if you don't mind naman, pwede naman kasya 4 dito sa bed na to nang nakaganito. So anyway, ayun, we had a good stay here, and ang saya na merong ganitong klaseng Airbnb here in Antipolo. Tapos kagabi nagpa-grab pa kami ng McDo kasi nagutom kami ng midnight. So ang lapit lang kasi merong malapit na McDo here in Marcos Highway. So that's another tip kapag magsistay kayo dito at magutom kayo in the middle of the night tapos kulang yung mga snacks na dala nyo. Marami namang malalapit dito. So yun. Thank you, Cabanayasi, for letting my family and I stay here in your Airbnb, and we're very excited to share it with everyone. So this ends my vlog, and I hope that you will watch my next vlog because it's going to be an exciting series, and hopefully matuloy kami. We'll make super duper daming kwento for all of you guys. So thank you for liking and subscribing and commenting on my YouTube channel. Maraming salamat for your support. I love you all. God bless. See you. Bye!